we going? Yeah. Okay, hello, it's Phoebe, and today I'm going to do another video showcasing the clawhammer technique with my gourd banjo, which has this scoop, which allows us to get a unique angle on the bum-ditty. I did a short video on this a while ago, just showing the strumming pattern, and people found it pretty helpful, and they said, can you play a whole song with that? So I'm going to play I'll Fly Away, which is the first song I learned on clawhammer banjo. It's great for beginners, so hopefully this can give you just like a view of what it's like to play a song with the clawhammer, bum-ditty, strum. So we're going to do that. We're in open G tuning. And let's give it a go. I'm just going to play it really slowly, a bunch of times. We'll change the angles, and yeah, here we go. that's I'll Fly Away. Let me know if you thought this was helpful. If you're starting out on banjo or wondering if you want to try clawhammer, was this a helpful explanation of it? If you saw, I'm pretty much always anchoring my thumb up here, even if I'm not pulling off the string. So even if I'm not making a sound with the drone string, I just have my thumb hanging out up here, because that really helps me keep the momentum going. So I can pull it off and make that ring, or I can just use it kind of silently as a little trampoline. So, yeah, let me know if you want more of these. If it was interesting, I could do something with some drop thumbing, which is kind of you learn the bum-ditty and then you break all the rules and start drop thumbing. So if this was helpful, I can do drop thumbing with the different angles and stuff. But yeah, this awesome gourd banjo was made by Jesse Head. He's actually having a sale right now, so I will put that down in the description. Yeah, that's about it for now. Thank you for coming to your daily dose of banjo, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.